We've got a giant drug company. We've got a giant snack company. We've got nationwide snack recall, nationwide dog and cat food recall. So we're going to start with the giant drug company first. The FDA has issued an alarming Form 483. Now, this form is like a report card of violations. It's like a list of red flags. They issue this Form 483 when they find violations of the Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act and other regulations. There is a company by the name of Novo Nordisk, and it's based in Denmark, but it has other locations, including Bloomington, Indiana. Now, the Bloomington, Indiana facility is where this Form 483 was issued. I'm going to give you a little backstory on this company so that you can know exactly why this is a crucial report. Novo Nordisk specializes in the discovery, development, and manufacturing of pharmaceutical products with its core business in diabetes. Novo Nordisk is a leader in treating serious chronic diseases with emphasis on diabetes, obesity, hemophilia, and other rare endocrine disorders. Novo Nordisk is widely known for its diabetes and weight loss medications, including popular drugs like Ozempic and Wegovy. We all hear those commercials, and a lot of us know people who may use those, especially the Ozempic, as well as various insulin products. We all know someone on insulin. Now, I could go on further, but why is this important? It's important because the FDA repeatedly keeps finding quality control issues in the Bloomington, Indiana facility. They have repeatedly found contamination in the Indiana plant consisting of cat hair, bacteria, and other foreign particles. And this has been going on, some of it for years. And just to think, people on insulin medication, weight loss management medication, it could have been contaminated. Now, that's my little commentary in there, but it could have been. Hair contamination has been a persistent problem. The FDA reported and also flagged bacterial contamination and pest infestations. For years, the plant has had complaints from different clients regarding foreign matter found in lots that have been produced at that facility. There have been multiple other failures at the site. The list is huge, but I have gone over the most critical ones and the most recent ones. This is an ongoing problem at this facility, and I do not know where a lot of the different drugs that we're getting at our pharmacy, I don't know if it's coming out of that facility or not, but they are a huge major player in this arena. When it comes to diabetes and weight loss management, they are huge, okay? So be aware. I don't even know how to begin to tell you to check it out, and there is no information on what to do or how to check it out. There's no lot numbers. These are violations that have been given based off of FDA inspectors going through these plants. So please be aware if you are on any of that medication, and try to find out what you can do to see if any of your medication, because there's tons of different kinds of medication. So just be aware and see if you can find out if your medication has been, or has the possibility of being affected by that facility in the Form 483 with all the list of the violations. And it's not just Big Pharma. Our own pantries are at risk, and our pets may not be safe. There has been a nationwide pet food recall for both dog and cat food. The lots have been recalled due to the possibility of both Salmonella and Listeria. Both of them, not one, both Salmonella and Listeria. The dog and cat foods were distributed directly to consumers nationwide and to retailers in Arizona, California, Florida, Illinois, Kansas, New York, and South Carolina. Pets that may become infected with Salmonella or Listeria may be lethargic, have diarrhea or bloody diarrhea, fever, vomiting, decreased appetite, and or abdominal pain. So if your pet is acting funny, please if check the food that they're eating. According to the FDA, the recall was issued Monday, August 25th, and it is for Viva Raw, which is located in Charlotte, North Carolina. The lots recalled include Lot 21495, Viva ground beef for dogs, Viva beef and turkey for puppies, and Lot 21975, Viva ground chicken for dogs, Viva chunked chicken for dogs, Viva chicken for cats, and Viva pure chicken. The products are frozen 1-pound bricks in clear vacuum packs, and the lot numbers are printed on the top of the packages. The company is advising anyone who purchased the affected lots should dispose of the food in a way that children, pets, and wildlife cannot access it. Do not sell or donate the recalled products. Do not feed it to pets or any animals. To wash and sanitize any pet bowls, cups, or storage containers, and to wash and sanitize hands after handling any recalled item or utensils. If you have purchased any of the lots from Viva Raw, you can contact Viva Raw at info at vivarawpets.com. That's Viva Raw at info at vivarawpets.com for a refund or questions. Okay, now I know this is a snack and I know it's a highly processed food, but I also know many have it in their pantry, so you're going to need to check because Hostess is recalling their cupcakes. J.M. Smucker's company. You know Smucker, we know Smucker by the jelly and the jams a lot. J.M. Smucker Company owns Hostess, and they are the ones that issued the recall for certain Hostess products. The products include the Ding Dongs, which are the chocolate and cream whoopie pies. The Ding Dongs that have been recalled include the single-serve 2-pack with Best By dates of August 30th, August 31st, September 1st, September 2nd, and September 3rd. The 10-count packages of Ding Dongs with Best By dates of August 30th, August 31st, September 1st, September 2nd, and September 3rd. The family packs of the Ding Dongs with Best By dates of August 30th, August 31st, September 1st, September 2nd, and September 3rd. No other Smucker's products are affected by the recall. So I'm going to repeat that, no other Smucker's products are affected by the recalls. The Ding Dongs have been recalled due to the possibility of presence of mold. So if you have these Ding Dongs, please do not consume them. You can return them to the place of purchase or call Hostess Brands at 1-800-483-7253. Again, you can return the Hostess products to the place of purchase, or you can contact Hostess at 1-800-483-7253. Be sure to check your products. If you have any Hostess, if you buy Hostess, if you know anyone that buys Hostess, please check your pantry. If you have a pet and you buy Viva pet food, please check your cat or your dog pet food for those lot numbers and those Best By dates on the Hostess products. Share the video out so that we can warn everyone, and be sure to subscribe for future safety updates. I'm Pam and you're watching Pam's Pop-Ups. Thank you for watching.